Hello everyone, for today's class we will continue to study Chapter 2, the philosophical basis of TCM. As we have mentioned, TCM has a long history which people struggled against the disease. Under the influence of ancient materialism and dialectics, TCM evolved into a unique integral system of medical theory through long clinical practice. The systematization and development of the TCM theoretical system was deeply influenced by ancient Chinese philosophical thought, since experimental science was undeveloped at that time. The unity of qi, the yin-yang theory, and the five-element theory were the most influential philosophical thoughts and methods for the formation of the TCM system. Qi is the most basic and tiny substance in constant motion. The unity of qi, also known as qi monism, is an important philosophical thought in the pre-Qing dynasty. With the developing qi, monism was introduced into TCM and became one of the philosophical bases of TCM. Originally, qi was not a philosophical concept. It was observed by the ancient people as clouds or vapor of water, just like air, as it is commonly used in our daily life. We have a book which is called Word and Expression. The first dictionary of Chinese characters was written by Xu Sheng in Han Dynasty. It explains that qi as cloud. From the explanation, we can know that the cloud in the sky is the basic meaning of qi in Han Dynasty. Therefore, the origin meaning of qi is cloud without philosophical meaning. The ancient philosophers extended the meaning of qi to the philosophical field. They extracted the philosophical meaning of qi. From then on, qi is often used as a philosophical word. The word of qi is used to refer to the essential substance constituting everything in the universe, while the specific qi is called cloud qi or air qi or water qi or body qi, etc. And at the same time, they thought that everything in the universe is the result of qi moment. The unity of qi, also known as qi monism, is an ancient philosophical thought which defines that primordial qi is the origin of everything in the universe. Since qi is considered as the original principle of the universe, it is called primordial qi. From the view of ancient philosophers, qi is the primary state of the universe. All things in the universe are generated by the moment of qi. Qi is filled throughout the universe and is a medium for the intercommunication of everything. This is a philosophical concept of qi. As we see, everything in the world is composed by qi. This is called qi monism. The thing looks different just because the qi stayed in different status. The infinite variety of phenomena in the universe is the result of the continuous coming together of qi, which is material and visible, and dispersion of qi, which is immaterial and invisible. The gathering and dispersing form the phenomena of various degrees of materialization. Here, qi is used in a broad sense. Qi is a substance, or more precisely, it is a potential for change within a physical substance when qi comes together. However, qi is also the prime mover, the spark, not only of the moment in the universe, but also of life, like energy, information, and function. When it disperses, qi is used in a narrow sense when it is used to refer to the human body. So, broadly speaking, qi is used to refer to everything in the universe. Narrowly speaking, qi is mainly used to refer to the body qi in TCM. When qi was introduced into TCM, it refers to the very small substance in existence in the human body which exercises continuously and be full of energy. It is one of the fundamental substances constituting the human body and maintaining its life activities. As one of the things in the universe, human being is also created by the coagulation of qi from heaven and earth. Human being will make substance exchanges with everything in the nature, taking qi as the medium. The qi monism of ancient Chinese philosophy has been turned into a worldview and methodology used to understand the natural phenomena and vital activities after being applied to TCM. We have talked about the holistic concept, which one of the points is the unity of human being and the universe. The concept of qi monism is the theoretical basis for this point. The body qi is comprised of three kinds of qi. First one is the congenital qi, which is transformed from essence stored in kidney. Second one is fresh air, which is inhaled by lung from the nature world. Third one is food essence, which is transformed and transported by spleen from the food and water. In TCM, qi is the basic material to maintain the physiological functions of Zangfu organs, meridians, and clitorus. We will talk about the functions of Zangfu organs in next chapter. Let's take a quick view of meridian qi. The human body has vital energy, which is called qi, the natural sense of qi. And the qi flow along invisible lines which run over the body. It's called channels or meridians, like the river conducting water through the earth. The way qi flows through the channels presides over wellness or disease. If qi flows through the meridians smoothly and in a balanced way, it represents health, harmony, happiness, or we say wellness. If qi is blocked in the meridians, which can induce various kinds of suffering, or we say disease. For example, we have a meridian around our waist, which is called the Dan meridian. Normally, the qi flow inside the Dan meridian smoothly. Our waist will be thickening if the circulation of qi is blocked. Acupoints are the sites where qi is transported to the body surface through the meridians. Acupoints are considered to be the gates of the body, the most accessible place to receive stimulation. For example, we have an acupoint Neiguan, which located along the pericardial meridians of hand Jueyin. The vomiting can be relieved by stimulating the Neiguan acupoints. Summarization for today's content. Qi is the original source constituting everything in the universe. Qi is the smallest functional unit in any environment, in living creatures and in the organs. Qi monism had been introduced into TCM and became one of its philosophical bases. The formation and development of TCM theory was influenced by qi monism. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you next class.